Can I hear a choo-choo?
Woohoo!
One more time, guys.
Lorelai, wave! Yay! Lorelai! Woohoo!
If you had fun, check out our Independence Day to the side railway over on the other side of the Seaside Junction. Gotta wait for her to open the gate.
Whoops, I'm sorry. Lorelai, come here. Look, hey, look at me. I told you that was fun, huh? Yeah. How come you wouldn't ride it with me? Huh? Lorelai, how come you were scared of it? You told me you were scared of it and you wouldn't ride.
I did. I'd just be happy.
All right, give it a big smile and a kiss.